Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic8 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the option System and Updates. And then let's tap on Date and Time. And right here we've got everything set automatically. So as you can see, we've got automatic date, time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off this switcher at the top, almost at the top. And now we can freely tap on date, for example, and change the date by swiping first of all the day, then month and a year. Tap on OK, then the time. Just swipe and set the time you wish. You can also tap on the time zone, and here choose the time zone from the available list. And of course it will be immediately applied. Here we can also use dual clocks, so basically your device will display two different clocks on the lock screen. The first one with the time which you've set here, and the second from any other place of your choice. You can do it using the home city. Moreover, I forgot to mention that we can change the time format, and this is the only format that we can change. We cannot change the date format, for example. So we can either use 12-hour format if this option is turned off, and 24-hour one. So this is the whole manual customization of date and time, and if you wish to come back to all previous settings, just tap on the switcher right here, so your device will set everything automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.